Indiana State enters tonight's ball game 8-10 overall on the year, 3-3 in the Valley. Evansville 12-7 overall on the year, just 2-4 in the Valley, but this Aces team 10-1 this year here in the Ford Center as they host Indiana State tonight.
Don't come in that huddle after giving in on a possession, after not running as hard, after giving in and say, oh my bad, I should have done this or that. If you make a mistake, you make it busting your ass. Be tough. They're going to challenge you. It's going to see how tough you are. I'm looking forward to it, okay? And no matter what, it's togetherness. We're the deeper team. Let's be tougher. Let's be together. All right, let's go.
1, 2, 3, word!
Number 50, head coach of the Purple Aces, it is 11.
Dribble off to Smith. Smith frees himself, gives to Riley who drives it. He knocks over Key, and that's an offensive foul on Riley of Evansville.
Yeah, nice job, Tyreek there, moving his feet, getting him, beating him to the spot. And
Brenton Scott gives to Ojanaka. Right wing of three is good. It's 10-7 as Ojanaka with his first basket. Oh, good. Rebound Murphy inside for Indiana State. Another possession for the Sycamores. Jordan Barnes with it right wing. He pump fakes, hits Thomas inside. Down low to Murphy, a catch and a finish.
All right.
And a foul and a chance at a three-point play.
he deserves it. Murphy's working his tail off down there.
Good. Rebound Murphy inside. Murphy out to Barnes. Barnes a jumper for three. That's good. And the Sycamores lead 33-24.
Once again, Murphy.
Riley up front with 6 to shoot. Riley picks up his dribble, right corner to Freder King. His drive, shot blocked. Scott rebounds. Brenton Scott will not try with long shot before the end of the first half. 35-26, Indiana State, their largest lead of the first half. 9 at halftime. Barnes in the front court with it. Barnes inside to Murphy, a dunk. 39-26.
Great job of creating the angle. And, you know, he held it. He held his post. He bounced past. He got into his guy.
Smith out front to Riley. Riley in the lane, blocked away by Murphy. Tyreek Key down court for the Sycamores. Key through traffic, right to the rim for a layup. Indiana State 41, Evansville 26. The Sycamores start the half on a 6-0 run. It's good. A 2-point game, 68-66. 2 free throws for Brenton Scott.
And the big ones, obviously.
First is good at 69-66. Second shot is good. Sycamore 70, Evansville 66. Simmons inbounds it to Drew Smith. Smith down court off a screen, top of the key, leans in, a shot is no good. Rebound loose on the floor, batted around. Key has it for the Sycamores, and he's fouled with 11 seconds left. Second rims out for Key. Rebounded by Riley across midcourt. Riley top of the key, dribbling with it. Riley still dribbling with it. 3 seconds, a long three by Taylor, no good, and that'll do it. Indiana State wins it on the road, 71-66 over Evansville as the Sycamores improve to 4-3 in Valley play. And Greg Lansing ties Royce Waltman for all-time Missouri Valley Conference wins at Indiana State.
We survived it. Hard to win against that team. We made a lot of mistakes at the end, but you played your ass off.
Absolutely! This is part of it, man. Hey, family, bro. Family. 1, 2, 3. Family.